High in the mountains of southwest China lies a site unlike any other. This region, known for its breathtaking beauty and geological significance, is a testament to the wonders of our natural world. The landscape here is a harmonious blend of rugged mountains, lush greenery, and vibrant rock formations that seem to defy the imagination. Imagine a landscape painted by a giant's hand, a canvas of vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows. These colors are not just a visual feast, but a geological marvel, created by the unique mineral compositions and the effects of weathering over millions of years. Each hue tells a story, a chapter in the Earth's history written in stone. This is China Danxia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Recognized for its unique geological features and stunning beauty, China Danxia is a place where science and art converge. The formations here are not just natural wonders, they are masterpieces sculpted by the forces of nature. The name Danxia itself evokes the image of these colorful rock formations, a unique spectacle that captivates the imagination. The term Danxia translates to rosy cloud, a fitting description for the vibrant and ethereal quality of these landscapes. Each formation is a work of art, shaped by the elements over countless millennia. These landscapes, shaped over millions of years, are not merely beautiful. They hold within them the secrets of our planet's history. The rock layers reveal a timeline of geological events, from ancient seas that once covered the region to the tectonic forces that uplifted these mountains. Each layer is a page in the Earth's story, waiting to be read. Like pages in a geology textbook, the layers of sandstone and conglomerate tell a tale of ancient seas, shifting continents, and the relentless forces of erosion. These formations are a record of the Earth's dynamic history, offering insights into the processes that have shaped our planet. The intricate patterns and textures of the rocks are a testament to the power and beauty of natural forces. To stand before these formations is to witness the passage of time etched in stone. It is a humbling experience, reminding us of the vastness of geological time and the ever-changing nature of our planet. The sheer scale and complexity of the formations inspire awe and wonder, inviting us to contemplate our place in the natural world. But China Danxia is more than just a geological marvel. It is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. The cliffs and valleys are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, each adapted to the unique conditions of the region. The interplay between the geological and biological elements creates a dynamic and thriving environment. From the lush forests that cling to the cliffs to the rare animals that call this place home, Danxia demonstrates nature's resilience and beauty. The biodiversity here is remarkable, with many species found nowhere else on Earth. This delicate balance of life is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving such habitats. This delicate ecosystem, however, faces the challenges of the modern world, urging us to protect its fragile balance. Human activities and climate change pose significant threats to this natural wonder. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that future generations can experience the beauty and wonder of China Danxia. Join us as we embark on a journey through China Danxia. We'll traverse its rugged landscapes, explore its hidden corners, and uncover the stories etched in its rocks. This journey is not just a physical exploration but a voyage of discovery, revealing the intricate tapestry of nature and history that defines this extraordinary place. We'll explore its geological wonders, delve into its rich biodiversity, and uncover the cultural significance it holds for the people who live in its shadow. The cultural heritage of the region is deeply intertwined with the natural landscape, offering a unique perspective on the relationship between humans and nature. Together, we'll discover the importance of preserving this natural treasure for generations to come. By understanding and appreciating the value of China Danxia, we can contribute to its conservation and ensure that its beauty and significance endure for future generations to marvel at and learn from. The story of China Danxia begins millions of years ago, long before humans walked the earth. Imagine a time when this region was submerged beneath an ancient sea. Over eons, layers of sediment, sand, and the remains of marine life accumulated on the ocean floor, slowly compacting and solidifying into rock. Then, through the immense power of tectonic plate movement, the land began to rise. The Earth's crust buckled and folded, pushing the former seabed upwards, creating mountains and valleys. This uplift exposed the layers of sedimentary rock to the elements, setting the stage for the creation of Danxia. Wind and water, those tireless sculptors of the earth, began to work their magic. Over millennia, they carved away at the softer layers of rock, leaving behind the more resistant layers of sandstone and conglomerate. This process, known as differential erosion, is the key to Danxia's unique appearance. The result is a landscape of dramatic cliffs, towering pillars, and hidden grottos, all painted in a kaleidoscope of colors. The vibrant hues, from deep reds and oranges to pale yellows and whites, are due to the presence of iron and other minerals within the rock. Each layer tells a story, a chapter in the Earth's long history. Although the rugged cliffs and arid slopes of China Danxia might seem inhospitable at first glance, they are far from barren. This unique landscape, characterized by its striking red sandstone formations, is a haven for a surprising variety of life forms. Life, as always, finds a way. Look closer and you'll discover a surprising array of plants and animals that have adapted to thrive in this unique environment. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, each species has carved out a niche in this seemingly unforgiving terrain. Danxia is a testament to the tenacity of life and the delicate balance of ecosystems. The interplay between the geological features and the living organisms creates a dynamic and resilient environment. Clinging to the steep cliffs, you might spot the bright blooms of rhododendrons, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the red rock. These flowers are not just beautiful, they are a symbol of resilience and adaptation. These hardy plants have evolved to survive in thin soils and with minimal water, their roots burrowing deep into the crevices of the cliffs. This adaptation allows them to access the limited moisture available and anchor themselves firmly against the elements. The air buzzes with the sound of insects, from brightly colored butterflies flitting among the flowers to bees busily collecting nectar. These insects play a crucial role in pollination, ensuring the continuation of plant species in this rugged landscape. In the shade of the rocks, industrious ants build their colonies. These tiny architects are essential for soil aeration and nutrient cycling, contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. Danxia is also home to a number of rare and endangered animals. These species have found refuge in the remote and rugged terrain, away from human encroachment. The Chinese goral, a type of goat antelope, nimbly navigates the steep slopes, its sure-footedness a marvel to behold. This agile creature has adapted to the rocky terrain, using its keen sense of balance to move effortlessly across the cliffs. High above, birds of prey like the majestic golden eagle soar on the thermals, their keen eyesight scanning the landscape for prey. These apex predators are vital for controlling the populations of smaller animals, maintaining the ecological balance. These creatures, large and small, play a vital role in maintaining the health of the Danxia ecosystem. Each species, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, contributes to the intricate web of life that sustains this unique environment. They are all connected in an intricate web of life, each species dependent on the others for survival. This interdependence highlights the importance of every organism in the ecosystem, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. The presence of such a diversity of life in this seemingly harsh environment highlights the adaptability of nature and the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. Protecting Danxia is not just about conserving its unique geological features, but also about safeguarding the myriad forms of life that call it home. The human story is interwoven with the natural tapestry of China Danxia. This unique landscape, with its striking red cliffs and rolling hills, has been a silent witness to the unfolding of human history. The vibrant colors and dramatic formations of Danxia are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a canvas upon which countless generations have painted their lives and stories. For centuries, people have lived in harmony with this dramatic landscape, their culture and beliefs shaped by its unique beauty and power. The local communities have developed a deep connection with the land, understanding its rhythms and respecting its might. Their daily lives, from the way they farm to the festivals they celebrate, are all influenced by the natural world around them. Temples and monasteries, perched precariously on cliffs or nestled in hidden valleys, stand as testaments to the spiritual connection people feel to this land. These sacred sites are not just places of worship but also symbols of the enduring relationship between humanity and nature. The architecture of these temples, often blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, reflects a profound respect for the natural world. One such example is the Fanjingshan Temple, located on the summit of Mount Fanjing, the highest peak in the Wuling Mountains. This temple is a marvel of human ingenuity and devotion, standing tall amidst the clouds. The journey to Fanjingshan Temple is not just a physical ascent but also a spiritual one, symbolizing the quest for enlightenment and a deeper understanding of the universe. Reached by a series of winding stone staircases carved into the mountainside, this ancient temple complex seems to float among the clouds, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding Danxia landscape. The path to the temple is a testament to human perseverance and faith, with each step bringing pilgrims closer to the heavens. For centuries, pilgrims have made the arduous journey to this sacred site, seeking enlightenment and a closer connection to the divine. The pilgrimage is a journey of both physical endurance and spiritual growth, with the natural beauty of Danxia providing a serene backdrop for reflection and meditation. The people who call Danxia home have developed unique traditions and practices that reflect their deep respect for the natural world. These traditions are passed down through generations, ensuring that the bond between humanity and nature remains unbroken. From traditional arts and crafts to agricultural practices, every aspect of their lives is intertwined with the environment. Many local communities have festivals celebrating the changing seasons, the harvest, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. These festivals are vibrant expressions of gratitude and reverence for the land, featuring colorful parades, music, dance, and communal feasts. They serve as reminders of the cyclical nature of life and the need to honor the earth that sustains us. These celebrations often involve traditional music, dance, and storytelling, passing down knowledge and values from one generation to the next. Through these cultural expressions, the wisdom of the elders is shared with the young, ensuring that the lessons of the past are not forgotten. The stories told during these events often highlight the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting its power. The presence of these cultural treasures within Danxia adds another layer of significance to this already remarkable landscape. They are not just historical artifacts but living traditions that continue to shape the identity of the people. The integration of cultural heritage with the natural environment creates a unique tapestry that is both beautiful and meaningful. It reminds us that we are not separate from nature but rather an integral part of it. Our actions and choices have a profound impact on the environment, and it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. The story of Danxia is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. The stories, beliefs, and traditions of the people who live here serve as a valuable reminder of the importance of respecting and protecting our planet's natural heritage. By honoring these traditions and learning from the wisdom of the past, we can ensure that the beauty and vitality of places like Danxia are preserved for generations to come. The human touch, when guided by respect and reverence for nature, can create a harmonious and sustainable future.